Katie, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing 50 different Christmas wish lists ideas for her, I guess. Let's just get on with the video. The first idea is to get a James Charles X Morphe palette. I'm actually getting that for Christmas. You can also get the mini palette, which just came out recently. Then you can also get his brush set. Then you can get the Jeffree Star X Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. This broke the internet, just saying. You can get some Fenty Beauty by Rihanna if you want. You could also get Ariana Grande's perfume called Thank You Next if you wanted to know that for some reason. Then you can get this Mario Luigi Badescu something facial spray, which Visco girls like. You can get a bunch of scrunchies for cheaply online. You could also get a hydro flask. They're very trendy for Visco girls. You can also get some oversized t-shirts. Or some oversized hoodies / jumpers. You can also get some fluffy pajamas, fluffy socks, fluffy blankets, fluffy cushions, a fluffy dressing gown, a fluffy scrunchie, or some fluffy jumpers. You could also get a fluffy headband. You can get some fake nails if you have kind of short nails like mine, or if they keep breaking. You can get some branded nail polish online like Hollow Taco by Christine. You can get some nail oil to hydrate your nails if they're quite hard and keep snapping. You can get some fake plants for your room. They're very nice room decor. You could also get a cute lamp, which is also nice room decor. You can get some fairy lights. I'm kind of obsessed with them right now, not gonna lie. You can get a 2020 calendar, and you can get so many different kinds of calendars. There's so many options. You can get some scented gel pens. I don't know why I put this on the list. You can get a Polaroid camera. They're very expensive, but they're really cool. You can get some Beats by Dre headphones. They're very expensive, I've heard. You can get some Nike Air Force Ones. Yes, I say Nike, not Nike. It's Nike. You can get this Fjallraven Kanken backpack thingy, whatever you call it. You can get a shell necklace, which also Visco girls have a lot. You can get some Visco stickers. Just get some trendy stickers, whatever. You can get some Converse shoes. I find these really uncomfortable, but if you like them, you do you. You can get some cute phone cases. I certainly am kind of a phone case hoarder. You can get some pop sockets. I really want some for Christmas because I keep dropping my phone. You can get a MacBook laptop. They're quite expensive. You can get an iPhone 11 Pro Max, whatever other words are attached onto it. You can get a mini backpack, which is quite trendy. You can get some kind of beauty subscription box. Or maybe you can get an art subscription box if you're into that instead. You could get a glitter or different themed passport case, because that's fun if you travel a lot. You can get some bath bombs if you like relaxing and taking baths. Here's for all the artists, some Prismacolor pencils. They're very expensive pencils. You could also get a Copic marker set, which is also for the artists here. You can get some fake candles, because you don't want to burn your house down. You want your room to be cozy, don't lie. You can get some cute bed sheets like I have, my dog bed sheets, if you saw my Berlin vlog. And if all else fails, just ask for some vouchers for your favorite shop. Money. Or a surprise. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new around here, hi, my name is Katie. I'm 12, and I really like doing art, crafts, and random videos. So if you like that, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm really excited for Christmas, and I really want to do more Christmassy videos because Christmas is my favorite time of year. It is the best season, don't lie. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. Bye.